Morning, YouTubers. Welcome to my channel. Found this little baby bird this morning when I came outside. He was in a tub of water. We've got a lot of rain here. There was a tub outside the door that had filled up with some water, and he's trying to learn to swim this morning. I think he's supposed to be learning to fly. I heard his mother talking to him a minute ago across the road. He probably jumped out of the nest and landed in a pool of water. Somebody needs to tell him he's not a duck, right? Isn't he cute? I'm going to take him over here and set him in a tree. Maybe he'd like to take that flight again. Get him away from that bucket of water. Just wanted to share that with you. Till next time. Adios.